Hi everyone, thanks for watching another video from Rising Phoenix Antiques. Here we have a set of 36 graduated sleigh bells on a 96-inch leather strap, and this is definitely the real deal. The bells are numbered. Some of them are worn. A few have some cracks here and there, but all in all, as you can see, the strap is intact and the bells are all intact. So, but because this is a bell, I wanted to just make a quick video and hopefully let you hear what it sounds like. And they do sound very nice. The leather is intact, but it is dry. It could use a good treatment to soften it up a little bit, so it does flake off and whatnot when you're moving it around. But I imagine you use some good saddle soap or some leather treatment, and that should soften it up. So anyways, that's it. Thanks for looking.